Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn about configuration of interest calculations. What is interest calculation in SAP? Interest refers to two related but very distinct concepts, either the amount a borrower pays the bank for the cost of lending, or the amount an account holder receives for the favor of leaving money with the bank. What is debit interest, balance interest? This means the interest which we are entitled to receive from the bank for the debit balance maintained in the bank account. What is credit interest, balance interest? This means the interest which we are due to pay to the bank for the overdrawn amount. Before we go interest calculation configuration, we need to create some GL accounts. Create GL master data T code FS00. I already copied from another company. If you want you can create using this settings. In type and description select account group, current assets select balance sheet account, short text and long text is HDFC bank account. Currency INR select only balances in local currency, select line item display, select short key 001. Field status group G005. Click on Save. Next, HDFC term loan account. In type and description select account group, secure loans select balance sheet account, short text and long text is HDFC term loan account. Currency INR select only balances in local currency, select line item display, select short key 001. Field status group G005. Next, interest paid account. In type and description select account group interests, select P&L account, short text and long text is interest paid account. Currency INR select only balances in local currency, select line item display, select short key 001. Field status group G001. HDFC bank account we create under current assets. HDFC term loan account we create under secure loans. Interest paid account we create under interests. This 3GL account we will use in interest calculations. For create interest calculation type, T code OB46. Click on New Entry. Give your own interest ID. Give the name. Any name you can give. Next, select interest calculations type. Select S for balance interest calculation. Click Enter and click on Save. There are three interest calculation types in SAP. Balance interest calculation. This type is used to calculate interest on GL account balances. Item interest calculation. This type is used to calculate the interest on vendor customer account balances. Penalty interest calculation. This type is used to impose the penalty on the interest payments. Next, prepare account balance interest calculation T code OBAA. Click on New Entry. Give interest calculation indicator. Next, select interest calculation frequency. We can select for every month, every 2 months and every 3 months. I am selecting 01 for every month. Next, give settlement day 1. Next, calendar type. P bank calendar. J Japanese calendar. F French calendar. G Gregorian calendar. Here I am choosing calendar type G. Next, select balance plus interest. Click on Save. In settlement day we given 1. It means the interest will settle for 1st of every month. Define reference interest rates T-code OBAC. Click on New Entry. Give own reference interest rate. Give long text for reference interest rate. Credit interest and balance interest. Next give description. Next give from date. Select currency INR. Click on Next Entry. Give reference interest rate for debit interest. Give long text for reference interest rate. Debit interest and balance interest. Next give description. Next give date from effect. Select currency INR. Click on Save. Next define time-based terms T-code OB81. Click on New Entry. Interest indicator TM. Select currency INR. Give the date effect from sequential number 01. Select credit interest and balance interest. Give reference interest rate TMC. Click on Next Entry. Interest indicator TM. Currency INR. Give the date effect from sequential number 02. Select debit interest and balance interest. Give reference interest rate TMD. Click on Save. For enter interest values T-code OB83. Click on New Entry. Give credit reference interest rate. Give the date invalid from. Give credit interest rate. Next debit reference interest TMD. Give the date invalid from. Give debit interest rate. Click on Enter and Save. Next prepare GL account balances interest calculation procedure T-code OBV2. Click on Symbols. 0002 for interest paid. 2000 for GL account paid. By using this 2 we assign interest account and term loan account. Click on Accounts. Update chart of accounts. Select 0002 interest paid. Currency INR. Give interest GL account number. Next select 2000 for GL account paid. Currency INR. Next give 10 times plus symbol. Click on Save. Here we given 10 times plus symbols in GL account paid. 10 plus symbol mean it is maximum length of GL account number. SAP designed this option for instead of giving term loan account in GL account paid. In real-time scenarios we will have number of term loan accounts. For every term loan account we cannot assign individually in GL account paid. If you assign only one term loan account in GL account paid field, system will calculate that account only. Next, assign interest indicator to GL account T code FS00. Select HDFC Term Loan Account. Click on Create Bank Interest tab. Click on Edit icon. Give TM in Interest Indicator. Click on Save. Next, post GL document T code F-02. Select document date. Select posting date. Select posting period. Select HDFC bank account. Enter amount. Select business area. Change value date. Enter text loan related. Select posting key 50. Select HDFC term loan account. Give star in amount field. Select business area. Give plus symbol in text field. Change value date. Click on Save. Go to Document. Select Display Document. Next, Calculation of Interest T code F.52. Select Chart of Accounts. Select Term Loan Account. Select Company Code. Select Calculation Period. Select Post-Interest Settlements. Change the session name. Click on Execute. Batch input session created. We can see here all details of term loan. HDFC term loan account. Calculation period 01/05/2023 to 31/05/2023. Interest calculated for 31 days, rate of 10. Calculated interest for 31 days 4,246.58 paisa. Next, batch input sessions. Go to System. Services. Batch input. Sessions. Select session. Click on Process. Select Display Errors Only. Click on Exit Batch Input. Next, display document T code FB03. Click Enter. This is system posted document without entering any values. Interest account debited. Loan account credited. Like this, we can post any number of documents in SAP. In this video we have learnt how to create interest calculation configuration in SAP. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.